Joshua here. We are back with a bird story. This is part 3. We're about halfway through, so there'll probably be one more video after this. Welcome back. Let's dive in. Well, just a recap. We found a bird. He got his wing hurt. We saved him from honey badger. Took him home, played with him a little bit, and then he wasn't able to fly. So we took scraps from our school book and we made this paper airplane for him. And now we're offline. Okay, let's go. Beautiful scenery. I do have to say though, the music sometimes swells in uncontrollable ways. So audio is my next venture to work on. Video was my focus today. I'm working with a new camera and a little bit of a different setup. You may see frame rates are a little better as well. It's a work in progress. But now I actually feel like I can talk to you guys and I can talk to the bird friend. Instead of having to do a halfway in between. Oh. We're looking for a bird's nest? Looking for a bird's nest. I'm assuming that's what that is. It could be a bird's nest, could not be. I have been wrong before about this. Ah! And we got it. He's got his own little house in the sky. Oh, we were just stopping to say hey. That was his buddies. Okay. We'll move on. I'm really enjoying this. I hope you guys are enjoying it too. How's it going? How's COVID treating you guys at your house? Is it good? Is it bad? These islands are beautiful. Almost kind of reminds me of Florida Keys. We're gonna stop on the beach with a little bit of a puddle. Alright, I guess we're going off. Just want to play the puddle. Are we flying around visiting places or what? What's going on? Uh-oh. The clouds are getting dark. Is it going to storm? That's my guess. Hopefully we don't run into a storm. Or maybe it's just evening. Looks like it's... the day is tapering off. Yeah, that's definitely nighttime. I see stars. Ooh. I almost missed that. Buddy. I don't know why you wanted to run out to the desert. We're visiting all different kinds of birds in different areas. Beachy birds, bird bums. We had the nice... the first one was actually like the nice, I guess, tropical-ish, no, like a temperate climate kind of bird, and then we went to the tropical kind of bird, and now we went to the desert bird, and what would this be? The living on the halo ring birds, terraforming in space birds, I don't know. Oh, there's eggs. I'll fry those right up for breakfast. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna fry them. No fry. Let's use our afterburners and boost to the next level. residential area, farm area. Let's see. Nope, that looks like a observatory of some kind. See a little lens right there? Okay, got some waterfalls. This is an interesting area. Look, they're up here at the top. Oh, well, I ran right into what we were looking for. So the bird out on the playground helped us make buddies, and now we're helping him make buddies? Is that what's going on? They already have the best relationship you could ever have between a boy and a bird. That's for sure. Okay, where are we at? Oh, we're coming back home. Okay. This is good. It is time for bed. If it is any time after 9 o'clock, it is bedtime. And look, we recycled. We didn't even destroy that paper. We just put it right back in our book. Now they're just gonna enjoy the evening together. That is freaking awesome. And I thought they had the best day ever whenever they were playing the puddle. Good night, buddy. Bye. Mom. Is Mom the vet? Is that the vet? Hold up. Ooh, if that is Mom, she is angry. See, I knew it was Mom. I'm not crazy. It is a mom. Ooh, she following us. We know it too. Bye, Mom. Bye. Bye, Felicia. All right, Trees, help me escape. She's on a rampage, trying to come after us. So, we're not actually out in the woods. We gave her the old ziggity-zash dodge, and now we're back in our room, I'm assuming. Let's see if the scenery flashes. Why did we have our alarm set way after? Excuse me. We're supposed to wake up. See, we are back in the room. All right. Lamps that defile logic. I can't even turn it off. So that's definitely not happening. Can we go out on the balcony? We can go out on the balcony, and we found our birdie friend. Talk to him. Okay, he's not interested. Let's see where we need to go. Oh, God, that scared me. So, was that the vet or was that the mom? Because that looked an awful lot like the vet, the veterinarian from before. Okay, we're not obviously going to go into the darkness because that's where vampires live. We don't need any... Nope. Nope. Going into the classroom. Classroom's empty. Oh, Mom done found us. Run! Do you see what's happening? Oh, I can't. This is amazing. This is such a gimmick, but it is adorable. And now we're doing Mario. Okay. What else we got up our sleeves? Who is that? Is that the bully? Our alter ego? What is going on? Is this Carrie from the movie Carrie? Is she about to have pig's blood rain down on us? I'm so confused. Okay. We just had a demon come out of us. Good old Beelzebub. Beelzebub. I ain't sleeping. We're definitely not going to be able to sleep after that one, guys. It's about to storm. Mom is going to whoop our butts whenever she gets back. I guarantee it. Come on inside, buddy. Hopefully Mom doesn't catch us with our buddy Tweety McTweetikins. He said, go on. Go on. Okay, the bird and the vet. That looks like our mom. Or maybe Tweety McTweetikins is saying that, like, hey, I don't want you to get in trouble with your mom. We need to figure out some kind of rearrangement, which is French for rearrangement. Okay. Are we off to school again? There has to be a reason why we can come in here and screw around with Mom's lamps that defy logic. There has to be. No. Okay, all the lamps are on. I'm assuming we're gonna leave. Okay, Mom left a note on the door. Let's see what Mom left us. It's raining men! I'm just kidding. That's the note. Alright, let's seriously though. Is it raining? Is it? Or is that fake? She's just trying to mess with us. Can't jump in puddles. It's just a dreary day. Heading to school with Tweety McTweetikins. Okay, we're not gonna get scared by a car that's probably speeding. Stinking speeders. Back out into the woods. Oh no, we are taking him back out. Oh no, we're taking him to the vet again. Is that Mom? The mom is the gray bird and little voice. What's going on? Are we giving the bird back to the vet or the mom, or can I not? No! No! It won't let me go back, guys. It'll only let me go forward. I can't fight it. Progress is inevitable. We don't want to say goodbye. We live a miserable life in a school that teaches us that math equals cats. Okay, good. We're running. Run. You can't take him. You can just see the shadow on his face. Mom. Okay, Mom and the vet are not the same person. So we got Mom and the vet. Run. Okay, run. Alright, let's take off. Let's get out of here. Quick. They are hot on our heels. No, 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 no. You'll never take us alive. Goodbye. Alright, let's get out of here. Trying to take our friend away, you kidding me? Not on my watch. Not on my watch! It's storming. Not gonna lie, I'm a pretty good pilot, so I think we'll be able to circumvent this. Looks like the thunder is damaging our aircraft. Let's get out of here. Can we dodge it? Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh no! No! Oh! I don't know if I can dodge this. Oh, I can't even see. No. I should have flew lower. I'm sure we'll be okay. I'm sure everything is okay. Oh no, we're falling. Hopefully we land in water. Well, we're alive. That's a good sign. Where's Tweety McTweetykins? Okay, let's find him. Where'd he go, guys? Is he this way? Excuse me. There's the backpack. He's not in the backpack. Oh, I hear him. Why is there a bird laying on his side on the ground? He just took off with him. Oh no! He's not dead, is he? No! Don't talk to me. I'm not in the mood. I want to know where Tweety McTweetykins is. Where is he? He can't be dead. If I can survive that fall, he can survive that fall. That's physics. That's why a mouse can survive a fall greater than a human can. And same thing with like a ladybug and a mouse. It's physics. Here's one of the pieces of paper. This is where we first met him. Alright, trees, show me a path, because I am lost right now. Emotionally distraught AF. Oh. I'm pretty sure this is the same place where we had our first little day off from school. We skipped around in the puddles. Headed back to the apartment. Our apartment on the tippity-toppity. Where we at? Oh. We didn't even have to push the button this time to get in the elevator. That guy got it for us. Okay, guys. Let's mosey our way back to the apartment. I don't even want to go. Why is that door missing? That used to be a door. Is Mom home? He's walking slowly. I'm not doing that. I can tell he's sad. He's not there, honey. I'm sorry. He ain't there. Poor little kid. He lost his buddy. It was the only joy he had. School's miserable. He got picked on. His mom's never home. It's obvious that she's a single parent. He just wanted a friend. Yes, honey. Hi. Hi, baby. Sushi's meowing. Hi, baby. Hi. You want to say hi? Say hi, everybody. Say hi. This is my baby Sushi. He is my favorite child. And he likes attention, too. We'll play after this. Let me finish. Sheds too. I'm so sorry, buddy. You lost your friend. Gosh, that sucks. No one will ever be able to replace Tweety McTweetkins. Throw a paper airplane off the balcony again. Everything just went gray. That must have been all the papers that we built. Maybe we collected all the pages that were destroyed in our trying to flew the coop. Our getaway that we tried to do earlier. Oh, we hear a bird. Get up out of that bed now. Oh! He's okay. Oh, Tweety McTweetikins! Greybird! Greybird save him? Is that what happened? Oh. Gosh. Meet my friend. Tweet, 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 tweet. Okay. Can I pet you? Hi. Let's take it off. Be free, my friend. You are free. I wish I could go with you. Thank you, Gray Bird, for taking care of my friend. Oh, it's a paper airplane that we used to play with. Okay, what do you want me to do with it? Do you want me to throw it? Oh. Be free, my friend. Achievement unlocked tomorrow. Wow. Please, please, please let me know what you thought down in the comments. I didn't think that we were going to finish this, but we did. What a beautiful story. You do not have to have good graphics. You do not have to have action. If you can illustrate a story, even if it's a pixelated game like this, and you get people hooked in emotionally, oh my gosh. There's a sushi here flying. Music was awesome. Story was awesome. Little loss that sometimes that may just mean me being dumb, but wow. I'm going to rank it out of 5 coffee mugs, I will rank it either a 5-star, a 5 coffee cup, 5 out of 5 coffee cups. I'll just say it, 5 out of 5 coffee cups. Now what are we gonna do? I thought the game was over. I'm gonna have dreams about this tonight. Oh, he grew old. Finding Paradise. Coming one day. Again, this is a bird story on Steam. Download it, play it for yourself, please. Oh my gosh. I guess this is another game that they're going to come out with, or maybe they're going to continue the story, I don't know. But, yes, please. Thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. And if you want to see more videos from me, just hit the subscribe button and I'll be a click away. Joshua out.